Want to feel along with you. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about an important question: how does climate change affect wild animal? First, climate change is making the Earth warmer. The rise in temperature affect where animal can live. Many species and are forced to more to colder places, like higher mountain or closer to the poles. But not all animals can adapt or move fast enough, so some of them may lose the whole completely. Second, climate change is changing weather patterns. We are seeing more extreme events like drought, floods, and storms that can destroy habitats such as forests, ocean, and wetlands. For example, coral reefs are very sensitive to temperature change, and when ocean get too warm, coral can die. This affects many sea animals that depend on reefs for food and shelter. Another big impact is on food supply. Climate change can affect plant and other animals in the food chain. If one species disappears or decreases, it can affect many others. For instance, if insects decline, animals that eat them, like birds, many struggle to survive. Also, climate change can change the timing of normal events. Some animals rely on seasonal change for migration or reproduction. If that pattern shifts, animals may arrive too early and too late to find food. In conclusion, climate change has serious effects on wild animals, including habitat loss, food shortage, and survival challenge. That's why it is important for us to protect the environment and reduce climate change. Thank you for watching.